Hey, Tracy here with Paper Closet Designs, and I just have a video today showing you how to assemble these little six-sided pop-up boxes. These boxes are so fun. Today I'm showing you the Easter one, and it comes with an Easter egg frame, and there's actually 3 frames, and I'll show all of those to you. But I have other boxes that have different openings, different tops, whatever. This is just the assembly video. The reason these are called pop-up boxes or six-sided pop-up boxes is obviously they have 6 sides, and then you just squeeze the top and fill them up. This one has jelly beans for Easter, and then when you release it, it just kind of closes itself all up. The other thing that I really like about this box is as you start to assemble it, you don't have to fold the bottom, and you can just have a flat box, so you can make up a whole bunch of these, put them in your drawer, put them in an envelope or whatever, and then just pull them out as you need them and finish up the bottom, which I will show you in a minute. There's lots of different options, but let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you need to know is this is your pieces. You have the box here, it has a frame, and then like I said, there's some different the window, sorry, and then there's different frames. And then you also have your panels or your embellishment panels. And these are lined up in the file so that if you cut them out the way that they show, the patterns will match. If you're using striped or something with a definite directional pattern, they'll line up. And then you have, this is really hard to see on camera, but this is just a little piece of plastic. It's for the window. I cut mine out of transparency, and you can find transparency at most of your office supply stores or like on Amazon or whatever, and your Silhouette and your Cricut will cut those really well. You don't have to use a piece of plastic, but if you don't, then your candy or whatever might fall out of your window. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to flip this over, whoops, and then the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some glue on each corner of my transparency and glue it right here. So I'm using my tape runner, and it is kind of hard to see that. And then I'm just going to take it and tape it right there inside those score lines, and it doesn't even have to be exact and pretty because this is the inside of your box. So I don't know if you can see that or not. I might need to start filming these at a different time of day. Okay, then we're going to flip this over, and we're going to fold on all of those score lines, and you're just going to fold back. And if you use the Silhouette files or the SVG files, if you use your Silhouette, it will cut perforation marks. And if you use the Cricut, it has score lines. If you are using your Cricut, make sure that you change those lines to score, otherwise they will cut, and that you attach them to your box. That's just something that you have to do when you're using a Cricut. And I'll put some videos together. I already have of how to do that. Okay, once my box is all scored, or excuse me, all folded, I'm going to go ahead and glue on my decorative pieces. And I, again, just use my tape runner. I want to get a pretty good edge on my corners, because when it's bent, you want to be able to, you don't want those corners to pop up. And I'm going to really hurry through this because you just want to know how to assemble it. You don't want to take all day to watch me do this little fun stuff. It does go really quick. If you're using the Cricut, you can just open this and go directly to make it. You don't have to resize it or recolor it or anything. I mean, of course you can. That's an option for you, but you don't have to. And with the Silhouette, you just slide the pieces on and off the mat and cut it. It's a very simple little project. So it's fun to do a bunch of these and get them all done all at once, and then just have them on hand for when the grandkids come over or whatever. Okay, then you have these frames, and they go on the outside. And like I said, there's 3 of them with the Easter box. Some of them have a couple more, whatever. And I'm just going to glue that on there because they're so thin. Your machine will cut them out fine, but because they're so thin, tape runners don't really hold it too well. So I'm just going to put a little dot of glue. This is my favorite glue. People ask me all the time. It's the Scotch Create Tacky Glue. I'm just going to glue that right on there, on the front. And then we're going to put it together. So I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to bring this tab and fold it over and glue it onto that tab. Now usually I use glue on the tab, but for the video I'm just going to do my tape runner because it's quicker. But usually I would do glue. So with that folded over, bring that right in. I'm going to fold this one over, make sure it's just lined up, and press it really good. And there is your pop-up box. And then to finish the bottom, all you're going to do is you're going to take this tab, fold it down, glue that one down, glue that one down, and then glue that one down. And there is your pop-up Easter box. Isn't that fun? So I hope you'll join me and grab some of these and make some and give them out for grandkids gifts, neighbors gifts, co-workers, whatever. Thanks for joining me today.